Hello everyone. At last we are studying periodic trend in the modern periodic table. First valency, second atomic size, and here we are study about the metallic and non-metallic characters. So let us see the questions. First, look at the element of third period. Classify them into metals and non-metals. Let us see the third period's elements. In these, the metals are sodium, magnesium, and aluminium. The next, silicon is metalloid, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine are nonmetals, and argon is an inert gas. So, on the left side, we can see here on left side there are metals, and on the right side we can see here the non-metals are present, and in the middle there is a metalloid we can find. So, these are a pattern. We can also observe this pattern in the periodic table also. Here is a zigzag line that is shown by the brown color which separate. In the left side there are metals that are shown in the blue color, and on that zigzag line at the right side, there are non-metals that are shown by the green color. So, how this is happen? For this, we can understood the periodic trend that are what are the metallic and non-metallic characters. So, let us see first the metallic characters. While going down a group, a new shells are get added here. First, we are taking the example of first group. Here, the lithium. In lithium, we can say that the two shells are present, while in the sodium, we can see the three shells are present. As we go down a group, potassium, they're having the four shells are present. So, when we are going down a group, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell is get increasing. That is, in lithium there are only two shells, but we can see in the potassium there are the four shell. So comparing this distance, that the potassium atom having the distance that is from nucleus to the outermost shell is more than the lithium. As we go down a group, we can see that lowering effect of nuclear charge, thereby lowering attractive force on valence electron. As result of this, tendency of atom to lose electrons also get increasing. So, because that the penultimate shell become the outermost shell on losing the valency electron. So, what is mean by penultimate shell? See here, the last shell or the outermost shell from nucleus is called valency shell. The shell inner to this is called penultimate shell, and the one inner to that penultimate shell is called pre-penultimate or anti-penultimate shell. Here we can see that when the lithium atom lose this electron, this is having a duplet and become stable. Then in sodium, when last shell electron is get loose, then this penultimate shell is become octet and also get this atom is stable. Potassium atom also, when this the last shell electron is get loose, and then this is a penultimate shell, and this atom also become stable. So the metallic characters of element increase while going down the group. So see here, the metallic character decrease in moving from left to right along a period. This is due to an increase in nuclear charge, which tends to pull the electrons closer to the nucleus. So what trend? See here in the period. We are taking the example of the second period, that is from lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and here is the fluorine. We can see all having the two shells are present. So let us see what is the trend is present here. While going from left to right within a period, outermost shell remains same, that all having two shells. However, the positive charge on nucleus goes on increasing while atomic radius goes on decreasing. Let us see here, when we are going from left to right in the period, the atomic radius goes on decreasing. Thus, effective nuclear charge goes on increasing. As a result of this, the tendency of atom to lose valency electron decrease within a period from left to right. So let us see the example of this, that in the period number 2 we can see here, that is lithium having one valency electron, beryllium having two valency electron, this also lose these two valency electron, then boron having three valency electron, that also lose by the boron, carbon having four valency electron, carbon share the electrons. Then next to that, as we are going to, that is the from left to right, see here that nitrogen having valency 3, that the nitrogen accept 3 electron, oxygen accept 2 electrons, hence valency is 2, then fluorine accept 1 electron, hence the valency of fluorine is 1. As we are going from left to right, that is that tendency to lose valency electron decrease within period from left to right. So the two factors, the increasing nuclear charge and decreasing atomic radius as we going from left to right within a period, are responsible for increasing effective nuclear charge. Therefore, valency electron held with greater and greater attractive force. This is called electronegativity or the non-metallic character. We can see here, this accept 3 electron, this accept 2 electron, this accept 1 electron, and we can say that this is that ability of holding with greater and greater attractive force. So this is a non-metallic character, or we can see increase in non-metallic character as we are going, that is from left to right in the period. So always remember, as we are going downward in any group, as we are going downward in any group, the electropositivity of an element and also the metallic character of an element are get increase. Okay, Then what is about the non-metallic character? As we are going down a group, non-metallic character or electronegativity decrease. Then next to that is as we are going from left to right within a period, see here, the metallic character or electropositivity decrease and the non-metallic character or electronegativity increase. Let us see when that the atomic number increases. Atomic number increases from 1 to 118. Then what is about the atomic size? See here, the atomic size in the period decrease from left to right, in group increase from top to bottom. Then next, that is the metallic characters. That metallic characters in period we can see decrease from left to right, in group increase from top to bottom. What is about non-metallic character? Non-metallic characters in period increase from left to right and in group decrease from top to bottom. In short, they are given us a figure, that is a figure number 2.10, periodic trend in elements.